Stop saying AI can't do your job.
Stop saying that!
I mean, seriously, we've got to stop saying AI cannot do this or that. Not only because we got to stop fearing it, but because we must change our mindset. Remember the buggy whip manufacturers? They said those newfangled horseless carriages or automobiles of the time couldn't possibly replace horses. How about the retail CEOs who scoffed at the internet? It cannot do what we do. How's that working out for them? Well, remember Kodak? They dominated the photography industry. That is, until they said digital photography would never replace traditional film. Oops. And of course, the classic case of Blockbuster video. They said streaming technology would never replace traditional media. And of course, that arrogance became their obituary. Every time a breakthrough technology shows up, people rush to say what it cannot do, instead of asking, how can it help you be better at what you do? Here's the truth. AI is not your enemy. It's your partner. It's not coming to take your job, but those who embrace it will if you do not embrace it first. The question is not, can AI replace me? The question you should ask yourself is, am I using AI to become irreplaceable? If you'd like to see how we're using AI to make HR experts irreplaceable, visit virtualleadershipprograms.com.